friends, in this video I will show you how you can fix heating issue on your Honor X7b. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video on your Honor X7b.